Hello, welcome to the first video of my series on how to start a career as a web developer. I'm Anthony and I have almost a decade experience in tech industry. A lot of people usually reach out to me and say things like, I want to start my tech career, I want to make money and all, but I don't know where to start from. I don't even know what to specialize in because tech is very huge, right? I believe that there are many people out there asking these same questions. So I have decided to start my own YouTube channel so I can help as much people as I can. I'm going to do another video. Where I'm going to talk about different tech careers, different opportunities in tech, right? So in case you are wondering, where do I start from? What should I do? At least you have different options and you know what you're going to do about it. But today, today we are going to dive into the basics of web development, what it is, the different types of developers, and how you can begin your journey in this exciting field. So next, we are going to look at different types of web developers, and we have three major types of web developers. Number one is the front-end developer. A front-end developer is one that is responsible for the visual part of a website. That is what the user see, and how the user interacts with this website. The look and the feel of the website, the design, right? Like the homepage layout, adding of buttons, text, and every content and the looks of the website, right? The front-end developer works with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and some other libraries or functions. While for the back-end developer is someone that focuses on the server side of the website, works with database, APIs, and server-side languages like Python, PHP, Ruby, and even JavaScript. So a backend developer manages the behind the scene functionalities, right? For example, authentication, that's the sign up or login and basic functions like that, and other functions, both basic and complex, right? And a full stack developer is someone that can do both front end and back end. So before you dive in, you need to decide what you're going to major in, or what's going to be you're going to specialize in. Are you going to be a front end? Are you going to be a back end? Or are you going to be a full stack developer? Depends on you. If you know you have you are comfortable with numbers, comfortable with logic and complex algorithms, you can decide to be a back end developer. Or you like design, you like fancy things, you can design, and you think you like to make, you can communicate looks and feel very well, then you should focus as a front-end developer. So another question so many people ask is, why should I choose a career in web development? So there are several reasons. One is in high demand. Web development skills is in high demand globally, with businesses of all sizes looking to establish online presence, businesses, trying to be innovative and all. So the market is huge, the market is large. Another reason is that in web development career, there's opportunity to work remote. You can work from anywhere, you can be anywhere, and you can work remotely, right? And it has good earning potential, right? You are paid very well. Web developers, especially those with years of experience or that are very good at their job, you're going to be well paid, right? And it gives you opportunity to be a problem solver, to be creative, and to be analytic, and it's a very, very good career. So let's look at the steps to start your own web development career. Right? What are the steps? Number one is ensure you have all the tools you need. Right? You need a laptop. You need access to the internet, a very good access to the internet. Basically, you need a laptop and internet. Also, you want to start with learning the basics. No matter if you want to do front end or back end, just ensure you learn the basics like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are plenty of free resources and tutorials online, right, that can assist you in your career. So practice by when you are in your development journey. Practice by building projects. Don't just learn without a direction. Practice by building projects. Build projects, website, blogs, or simple web applications. And also ensure you join a community. You have different forums. You have GitHub, Stack Overflow, and network with other web developers. Have someone that is mentoring you. And another thing you should do is have a portfolio. Build your portfolio as you are learning. Be building your portfolio. And GitHub is a very good way. You can save your codes there and you can share your skills. You can have another portfolio apart from GitHub here, especially you're into design, like front end, right? So and you also need to keep an open mind of learning. Make sure you're always learning, never stop learning, and stay up to date with latest frameworks, latest technologies, and best practices. I just want to list out the programming language and technologies we are going to be using for this series. First, we're going to start with the basics, which is HTML, CSS, and then we're going to look at JavaScript. And JavaScript is very broad. So for front end, you're going to look at React.js. Yes, you're going to look at React. And also in the process of our learning, you're going to look at Bootstrap and other libraries that will help in the journey. So there's a lot a lot you're going to be looking at, a lot in stock for you. So subscribe to my channel and watch out for my next video. Thank you.